Automated Billing Part 7. This video features multiple languages. Just go to your YouTube video settings, click Audio Track, and select your preferred language. Generate copy names instantly with buttons. Instead of manually copying invoices for duplicate or triplicate prints, we will create a macro and assign it to a button for easy, one-click printing. Select Developer tab. Go to Insert and select Module. Let's name this module A1_original. Let's automate this with a quick macro. Let's start with the sub and its name, A1_original. Next, we add notes using an apostrophe. The macro will ignore these lines. Let's write a simple program to set cell A1 to original. Just one line of code is enough. Click play to run the macro. It will alert you if there is an error. The code is clean and works perfectly. One module is ready, 3 more to complete. Use the Insert tab to add your next module. Follow the same steps for this new module, beginning with the name. Name this one A1_duplicate. Let's start by creating a sub in our VBA module. We'll assign the name A1_duplicate to this procedure. Now, we will copy the notes and macro code from A1_original. Now, we will paste this into our A1_duplicate procedure. Change all words original to duplicate. Use the play button to review and correct errors. Perfect! Everything looks right. Let's insert our third module for the triplicate code. Name this one A1_triplicate. Copy the previous macro and paste it into this triplicate module. Simply replace the word duplicate with triplicate throughout your code. Let's insert our fourth module for the quadruplicate code. Name this one A1_quadruplicate. Copy the previous macro and paste it into this quadruplicate module. Simply replace the word triplicate with quadruplicate throughout your code. Click the play button to check for errors and see your result in Excel cell A1. When cell A1 displays quadruplicate, it means your code is working flawlessly. Let's check other macro also. Everything works great. The original, duplicate, and triplicate codes are running perfectly. Save all this in VBA project. Now close all open modules. Go back to Excel page. Remember the button we created in our last video. You can customize it by changing the font, color, size, and style. Simply right-click the button and select Format Control to make your changes. I am changing the font color to red. Next, let's match this button's size for our new button. Go to Developer tab, select Button, or copy the old Finish button and paste. We will edit this button and change the data. Rename as original. Let's place one new button for input value and change the size. When you create a button, it will automatically ask you to assign a macro. Just select the macro we already made. Now rename it as duplicate. Simply right-click the button and select Format Control to make your changes. Let's change the height and width to match. Click OK. Let's move the original button to a better spot. Let's copy the duplicate button to make our new triplicate button. Change the name to Triplicate. Let's move the other two buttons to a better spot. Just copy the Triplicate button to quickly set up the Quadruplicate button. Change the name to Quadruplicate. Now, we will change the text color. As we did earlier, right-click and open Format Control to adjust the color. The word quadruplicate doesn't fit inside the button, so let's adjust the font size. Now it fits perfectly. To keep it clean, let's select all the buttons and give them the same font size. To assign a macro to your buttons, simply right-click them and select Assign Macro. Choose the original macro for your original button. Do the exact same thing for the duplicate, triplicate, and quadruplicate buttons based on their names. Let's go ahead and test all of our buttons. Before testing, click to exit design mode. And there we go, every button works exactly like it should. Never waste time manually naming files. Again, just click the button and let the automation do the work. Boost your daily productivity today by hitting like, subscribing for more tips, and sharing the video.